ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಬಂಜಾರ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಹೊರಮಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಂದಿ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಾರ್ಹ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಂದಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು, ದಿ ಡೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಟುಡೇ we are presenting a beautiful independent house for sale in Banjara layout, one of the most preferred residential locations near Hormao in East Bangalore. If you are looking for a ready house in developed area with excellent connectivity, this could be the perfect opportunity. Banjara layout is peaceful and established residential neighborhood known for its wide roads, quality homes and family-friendly surroundings. This property is located close to the outer ring road corridor, making daily travel convenient. Another strong highlight is the nearby Hormao metro connectivity zone, which adds long-term convenience and future appreciation potential. From here you can easily access Manyata Tech Park, KR-Puram, Ramamurthy Nagar, Kalyan Nagar, schools, supermarkets, hospitals and daily essential. Because of these advantages, Banjara layout has become popular choice for families and working professionals. Plot size 1000 square feet, north facing, BBMP B Khata, 6-year-old column frame structure building, ground floor 1 BHK, 2 toilets plus car parking, first floor 2 BHK, 2 toilets, own borewell, Kaveri water connection, 30 feet wide road. The quoted price is 1.65 CR and it's slightly negotiable for serious buyers. ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.